Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best golden milk powders on the market, Spicewalla's Golden Milk Powder. Packed with aromatic spices like cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric, this blend promises to elevate your daily beverage routine to a whole new level. Let's start with what makes this product stand out. Spicewalla uses a carefully crafted blend of high-quality ingredients known not only for their rich flavors but also for their health benefits. Golden milk, traditionally known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is a soothing drink that's perfect for any time of day. Whether you're winding down in the evening or need a gentle pick-me-up in the morning, a cup of golden milk made with Spicewalla's blend can be a delightful addition to your routine. Preparing Spicewalla's golden milk is easy. Simply mix a spoonful of this powder with your choice of milk, heat it gently, and enjoy the comforting aroma that fills your kitchen. The versatility of this powder is another highlight. You can customize your golden milk to suit your taste preferences. Whether you prefer it sweetened with honey or dairy-free with almond milk, Spicewalla's blend ensures a consistently delicious experience. Available in various sizes, from convenient single packs to larger quantities for frequent users. Spicewalla makes it easy to stock up and enjoy your golden milk whenever you crave it. In conclusion, Spicewalla's Golden Milk Powder is not just a beverage, it's a celebration of flavors and a wellness ritual wrapped into one. Whether you're a seasoned golden milk enthusiast or curious to try it for the first time, this product promises a delightful journey with every sip. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products like Spicewalla's Golden Milk Powder. Until next time, stay curious and enjoy exploring.